everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video we're opening up Confetti collection and the box is really heavy this month and I can't wait to see what's inside. So Confetti collection is a bi-monthly subscription, so you get it every other month. It costs $19.99 and you do pay a $5 flat fee for shipping and you get at least $50 in value and you get 8 or more items and it's super cute. You get like stationery, like novelty gifts, giftable items, and I love it. I said in the last unboxing that it was my favorite ever, so we'll have to see how today compares. If you guys missed that video, I can link that down below. So before we get unboxing though, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But now let's get this box open. When I open it, everything is wrapped up in tissue. I'll give you a little sneak peek. It's not really a sneak peek at all, but just so you see, in cute presentation, they wrap it well. So underneath all the tissue and packing, this is what it looks like. It looks like we've got some good stuff from what I can see. And there's a card on top. I got those little swigglies. If you guys could see this filming room, those little packing materials, like what I call swigglies, I don't know the real name, they're everywhere in here. But anyways, back to the box. Family tree is the theme. It says explore and document your family tree with a guided genealogy journal, file folders, and document folios. Have fun creating a keepsake for the next generation to enjoy. This sounds like it's gonna be good. So the first thing I see, it looks like we have an address book and it's so cute. I was just about to text my mom earlier and then I forgot. That's how my brain works, to get my aunt's address. Like, I need to start keeping track of addresses and now I can. This is perfect. And I love how shiny it is. So yeah, just this address and telephone book, and then it's all in alphabetical order. And there is what it looks like. So you can put the name, address, phone, fax. Does anyone really have a fax number anymore? I guess if you have business, but awesome. I love how cute and shiny it is. And then next we have something here. It looks like maybe a journal. I love the yellow. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of reflecting there, but like arrow design. So yeah, this is a journal. It says there's 240 pages, and I like when it comes with these so you can like keep your mark there. So the first page matches the cover, and then there's just a bunch of lined sheets. Awesome. Ooh, the next thing looks awesome. So this is the guided genealogy journal that they mentioned in the little handout that came on top. Includes 6 sticker sheets, prompted sections, and space for photos to record family history. This is awesome. I would love to do that more. I have one aunt that was really into it and she gave me a lot of stuff, so this is perfect. And look how cute it is. This journal belongs to and about the family. Oh, and you get to write all this stuff about them, like child, birth date and place, born to, occupation, marriage date and place, death date and place. This is so cool. There's different sections, like relatives in the service, relatives in the news, photographs. This is so awesome and like so unique. Like, I don't know if I would ever have this otherwise. Like, besides if I, you know, getting it in the subscription. So I love that. This is such a unique subscription. Ooh, I like the next thing is like a clipboard with this on top. I used to use something similar to this when I worked in the ER. I would take like histories and stuff. But this one's really cool because it has this outside you can use, and also on the inside there is a notepad. Oh man, this is awesome. So they call this a pad folio. There are 50 sheets in here. This is so cool. I think this would be great for anyone that like takes notes or whatever, students, people that work in hospital. Love this. And then we have some printed file folders, and these are so pretty. Let me get these out. Oh, and there's different designs. Oh, I love these. I've been trying to clean and organize lately. I feel like I'm always saying that, but like it's like an ongoing process, you know how it is. But I could use stuff like this, and like the fact that they're so damn cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, and on the back of it, looks like that. The designs, oh my god, I love it. These are so cute. I can't wait to use all this stuff, but we're not done yet, you guys. There's one more item. Okay, maybe this is my favorite month. Am I gonna say that every time I open this box? It's just so good. Oh, and there's there's multiple in here. Looks like we have 3 envelope file folders, also by Dwell Studios, and matches that cute design. I love this. Like, I think this one's my favorite. I don't know, I like both, but like blues are always what speak to me. And then the last one looks like this, so cute. Like, Such a complimentary color. Oh my god, I love all of this so much. You guys, okay, maybe this one's my favorite. I love this subscription. Totally worth the price, I think. You get so much stuff and it's unique. And I don't know about you, but I would never have gotten this stuff otherwise. So I love that about a subscription box, discovering things. And it will help me on my journey to become more organized. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for unboxing this with me. And again, if you're interested in subscribing, Confetti Collection will be linked in the description box. Thank you so much to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks for each tier and also join. I would absolutely love it if you did. I would love to get to know you better. In tier 2, we do bi-weekly live streams. There's just a few of us. We get to chat. It's super fun. There's always giveaways, but no pressure. Only if you want to. I know times are hard. Just by being here and watching my video is super helpful, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.